Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Tech Tricks. Today in this video, I am going to tell you how you can delete all the alternative rows in Excel by using a very simple Excel formula. Okay, so here we have a simple set of data, and here in this what we are going to do, we are going to remove all the alternative rows. Means this row we will keep, this row we will remove, this row we will keep, this row we will remove. Okay. So for that, what we are going to do, here we will write a very simple Excel formula. It will be equal to mod, then bracket. After giving the bracket here, you have to give row, then open bracket, close bracket, comma. Because we are going to remove every second row. That's the reason we will give 2 here. And then closed. Closed and then click on enter. After you clicked on enter, again come to this corner, double click here. You can see all the numbers are reflecting here. Then what you will do? Control C, copy this, and then again Control V, paste it here. And then you can see this option will come. Click here, click on this value part. Now you can see it is giving you the value. Okay, earlier only formula was coming. Now click here, come to home, click on shorten filter, click on filter, and then because we want to remove all the second row. Second row means all the second row contains one number. Okay, then we will select 1 here. Okay, fine. Now click here, select this row, and then press Control Shift and down button. Once you will press Control Shift and down button, it will select all the data. After all the data gets selected, right click here and click on delete rows. Now you can see everything got deleted. Again click here and then come to home and then click on filter. Okay, now you can see all the row which were containing one number, everything got deleted. So these rows are remaining. Just remove this part and it's done. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, just like this video, subscribe my channel and share as much as you can. Thank you.